Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. Today I'm doing the first oil change, spark plugs, and possibly the air filter on my wife's new Mercury Mariner 2006. Not that bad a car actually. This is a 3.0 6-cylinder. Let me get underneath this thing, find out what size socket I need to drop the oil. Come along with me for the journey. Pretty sure that's going to be my oil drop right there. Yeah, 15, okay. Yeah, it's actually pretty clean. Wow! Yeah, it smells a little bit like gas, so next time I change it, I'm probably just going to have to put in some Lucas. Hopefully there's enough room for a bottle of Lucas right now, and seal everything up, because this thing's been sitting for a little while. Got it. There we go. Man, that almost looks brand new, but alright, now we're going to just check this air filter, change that if it needs it. And that's just about brand new. Okay, so it doesn't need that right now either. I might just be taking this stuff back to Walmart. Yeah, always remember, you want to pull out the screws. Yeah, see, a lot of mechanics, they'll tell you you don't have spark plugs when they see these coilovers, because they don't want to mess with them. I need this car to work. Yeah. Okay, it's feeling like nobody's changed these in quite a while.
Ahorita que ya se salgan ahí la.
Okay, yeah, that's what was going on. Alright, we got some wasted spark plugs. Okay, so it actually feels like I'm gonna do something today. Got the new ones, the Bosch. Definitely get rid of the auto lights, because they don't really do too well in these. Oh man, I was almost starting to feel like I wasn't going to get anything done in this car today. It was like most of the work's already done. But always with these spark plugs, with these coilovers, like I said, the mechanics will try to tell you that it doesn't have spark plugs. Look at that, it does have spark plugs. Yes. Remember that next time you take your car to somebody and they try to tell you that. Oh hey, don't hit that skip button. Yeah, just want to take this moment to show you my first ever Android video game. It's called Shopping Cart Madness. I don't know if you can see it that well from there. Oh man, I'm still getting some glare from over there. So yeah, basically you're sitting in a shopping cart, a gas-powered shopping cart, riding up a beach, collecting beer bottles, and trying to avoid big tires, mailboxes, fire hydrants, parking meters, and other various objects that, yeah, if you were hit with a shopping cart, you'd have a really bad day. Let's see if we can play it up. Different speed levels. Yeah, because I'm kind of doing this backwards, I'll do it on 2. Yeah, just tap the screen to go to make a move from one side to the other. Oh, I already hit something. Yeah, the guy face plants in the windshield of a bus. Kind of a violent game over screen. I also got to give a shout out to my guys at GameProfits.co, because without them, I probably would have tossed my computer against the wall. So if you got a video game that you want to put out, be sure to get a hold of them guys if you're an amateur like me. If you guys can get me to 100,000 downloads, that would really be appreciated. I'll build one of these gas-powered shopping carts on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to give it away. To one of my subscribers. So yeah, definitely check out my YouTube channel too. It's right about here. And don't forget Game Profit CO. Here it is. Yeah, now back to the show. Already in progress. Yeah, it looks like in order to get to the back set, I just found out I gotta pull up the manifold. What do you think the odds are that somebody's done that in quite a while? Start here, I guess. Yeah, the back set of spark plugs are actually underneath the back of the manifold. So this is gonna suck. I finally got the manifold up. Yeah, look, I had to disconnect the throttle body and all these weird sensors back here. Hopefully I'll be able to put all that back together. I'm still not entirely sure how I'm going to get them last 2 spark plugs out, but yeah, I'm working on number 4 right now. Ow! Yeah, I think these are the ones that came with the car. These ones back here. The car is 14 years old. These spark plugs, at least taking them out, they feel like they might be 14 years old. It came with the car. Now we gotta feed this back down here. Get this last spark plug. Yeah, anybody ever take their car to the mechanic and they tell you it's going to be like $300 to change out spark plugs? Now you know why. But I have suspicion that that's actually that might be that spark plug that came with the car to begin with, because that's what a new one looks like. And that part's done. Okay, I'm gonna take a break because my back is throbbing from being bent over this engine. Yeah, I'll put all this back together in the next segment. Okay. Yeah, now comes the task of putting all this back together. Now that I've had a half hour or so to rest up. We'll put that there for now. Don't really need it for anything, but yeah, we'll start here. Just makes it easier. Put the manifold back together. Yeah, let's get these Front 4 bolts of the manifold put in by hand. Get them in just a little bit. You don't want to put them all the way in until you got all 8 of them. Yep, there's all 4 of the front ones. Now it's time to get these back 4 bolts into place, and then we'll get going from there. I'm about to tighten them all down. You don't really need to, and that's going to get boring to watch, so we'll turn the camera back on for the next part. Yeah. Alright, we got that manifold all bolted back in, and now it's time to put these cables back on, and then we're onto the bolting the throttle body back in. From looking at the throttle body, it doesn't need to be cleaned out, so I don't know. So that's one last thing I got to do on this car. It almost feels weird not to have a whole list of stuff that I got to do immediately to get the car working right when I buy something off of Craigslist. Put this throttle body back into position and bolt it in. As always, anybody who watches my videos regularly knows I always stress never to tighten these down all the way until you got them all in.
First this, no?
Well, that's easy.
And this.
Well, that could wait a minute. Yeah, this one's gonna go in down here. For whatever reason, they decided to make this just a little bit more complicated. Oh, good, I am getting some thread. That's a good thing. It's good. Can't remember what movie that was from. Anyways. And one more down here. I know you're not going to be able to see that from there, but yeah, that's down here. Yeah, I still need to get me some GoPros. We're still just doing all this with the phone. But basically, until I start getting some kind of money coming in off of YouTube, I can't really justify any big purchases like GoPros. You know, those are a couple $100 a piece, but those really come in handy on tight spots like inside a motor, whatever I'm working on. And now that the quads, now that the one quad is at least up and running, for the giveaway. Yeah, take you guys out on the trails here in Colorado. Yeah, I got it. Thank you. It'd be nice taking you guys out on the trails here in Colorado. That's going to be kind of hard to do with the phone taped to my head, though. But if need be, I'll do it. Let me know in the comments if you want to see it. If nobody wants to see it, there's no point in doing it. Oh boy. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. I got it. Alright, now it's time to put the EGR back on. If you watched the Silverado videos, you know that was a problem I had. And with that truck, there we go. Okay. Hopefully it more or less sits in flush. Because if not, that's going to cause all kinds of problems. If I'm not mistaken, we done. Okay, yeah, we're going to clear this out up here. Just in case it shakes a little bit. I'm starting up for the first time.
¿No desconectaste dos de estos, nomás este?
Esto y esto.
Ah, ok. ¿Vas a prenderlo?
Yeah. Mogo para atrás para que pueda cumplir esto. ¿A dónde están los números? Oh, okay, para arriba. Okay, I see. There it is. Only had to do the spark plugs. I'm glad everything else is good. That means I can take some stuff back to the store, get some money back off it. Look how smooth this thing's running. Look how smooth this thing's running. Look at that, no vibration and nothing. It's just about running like new. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Can't remember. Is it down over here or is it over here? Well, there's that smiley face with some broken teeth down over here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Okay, yeah, click on that. You're automatically subscribed to my channel. Go ahead and click on it. You know you want to. Yeah, if you got something like this, be sure to leave it in the comments. Anything that needs to be fixed on it, you don't know anything about, be sure to leave that in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Like the video, mash that thumbs up for me. I appreciate that. Oh, don't forget to hit that share button. I keep forgetting to say that sometimes. It's right. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, right there. You got any suggestions, anything you want to see some future videos, leave that in the comments. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.